How to build a website using Claude AI. Make sure you are logged in. Here I am going to write my prompt. This is a general prompt. Anyone can use this prompt to build their website. Here you need to enter your business name, tech. You can write it your name, industry, tech. You can list your services or products. Here you can write your target audience. Here you can set your goals, design, any section you want to add or remove, requirements, output. You can customize the prompt according to your requirements. After that, click it here. Here you can see Claude AI has designed my website. Here you can see it is a complete code that Claude AI has written. We can customize this code according to our requirement, or we can give a prompt to update our requirement. We can also download this code. I want to change the color. Simply write the prompt. I want to change color to orange color. Simply click it here. Done. Every instance of this color has been replaced with orange. We can simply download this code. Click it here. As you can see, this is the new file. We open in the text editor or Visual Studio Code. You can see this is the code. If I run this file, here you can see, as you can see, Claude AI has changed the color as well. You can find this prompt in the description below. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.